Test, test, test. Hello, hello. Super excited to be back on the channel. It's been a really, really long time since I made my last video, but I'll probably make some like vlogs or updates or something like that to kind of like tell you some of the stories about things I've experienced working at Alchemy as a developer advocate over the past, 6 months or whenever the last time I made a video was. But today I wanted to kind of like showcase my first time experience funding some Gitcoin, like giving out some Gitcoin grants, I guess, if that's the right way to say it. Basically, there are projects out there that are public goods. They're designed to be kind of public goods. They're open to everybody, or they will benefit the entire crypto ecosystem or the blockchain developer ecosystem. And they're asking for some money to help support the project, fund it, get people to work on it full time, that kind of a thing. And I guess it's Gitcoin Grants Round 14. So they've been doing this for a while. This is my first time actually like getting into it and exploring it for the first time. So I just thought I would show the process so that you can kind of see what's going on here, and document it, because why not? And this was actually prompted by Cami. So Cami Ramos from right now she's working at the Edge and Node with the Graph protocol, but she's also helping build this organization called Women Build Web3, which is super cool. You should ask her about it, but basically it's sponsoring women to learn how to do blockchain development and also get them like to have paid work creating resources for other protocols, sending them to conferences and things like that. So that's my understanding of it from the last time we chatted. But yeah, overall super cool project. And then she was saying, hey, like, okay, this is something that's also really interesting that I'll go into a little bit more later. I don't fully understand it yet, but basically any contributions that you make to projects via the Gitcoin grant system get matched. So with Women Build Web3, a $1 contribution gets matched at $283 from like a pool of funding that companies and other people have like set aside for this. So that's so interesting. Like, and basically this is like, if your contribution size gets higher, the amount of matching gets slightly smaller. So they're still matching and it's still worth it. But what they're trying to do with Quadratic Funding, and that's what they're calling this model, is they want more people to contribute. So even if there are lower amounts like $1, if more people contribute $1, you actually can get like a greater amount of money. So it's like an interesting, interesting incentive design. So yeah, I just wanted to go through the website, kind of like show you what's going on here, who's using Gitcoin, like for people who don't know what Gitcoin is, it's like, their whole thing is like funding open source development and software development and stuff like that. So it's just like, it's a pretty cool org. Yeah, some of the quotes here are interesting. Vitalik Buterin himself has said that Gitcoin Grants Quadratic Funding is not just for funds allocation, it's also a great signaling tool. For the last few rounds, going to gitcoin.co/grants, sort by top match, has led me to discover a lot of really cool Ethereum projects I previously did not know about. So yeah, that is kind of cool. I actually like want to see what he's seeing here. So we go here, view all grants, and then sort by highest match amount. That's cool. So far there's like 106K matched to $6,000 of actual commitments, which is really interesting. Like, how does that work? Where does that matching come from? I actually don't know. But yeah, this is like pretty cool. So yeah, other people have said Gitcoin gave me the first break into Ethereum and the crypto space. It helped me find bounties that I could work on and get paid in crypto. After my first ever bounty, I got paid a lot and I felt euphoric. That's pretty cool. Austin Griffith's on here. I actually have a video on Austin Griffith's channel, so you can actually, for people who don't know him, he's pretty awesome. Austin is awesome. And we actually just uploaded a video where we built a game together using Scaffold-ETH. So this was really fun. Like within 1 hour, we built a full stack application. It was like an iterative process. We built a smart contract and we changed it and tweaked it and saw stuff happening on the front end. Anyway, so like that's like, we use this tool called Scaffold-ETH that he's been working on for a while. So it's actually really cool to see this story here where he talks about, my grant enabled me to leave my job and build open source tutorials and prototypes for the open internet. Super excited to see Quadratic Funding continue to help high leverage outliers find their place in our ecosystem. Totally agree with that. That is really, really awesome. So let's go take a look. I'm going to pick out a couple that I want to fund, and then just like, I want to also know what the flow is like and how does that matching kind of work, so we can kind of explore it together. Let's start with the explore button. Gitcoin grants sustain projects with Quadratic Funding. So let's take a look here. What is QF? Quadratic funding is a mathematically optimal way to fund public goods in a democratic community. According to the so a matching pool is raised. So I'm guessing like, you know, big projects or investors or whatever, they donate the money, and then a crowdfund campaign is matched according to this algorithm. Number of contributors matters more than amount funded. This pushes power to the edges, away from whales and other central power brokers. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I guess this is like a simulator. So if I want to match $1,000 across 4 projects, I don't know what this is for, but anyways, there's been 21 million distributed. So, well, our secret to getting past the free rider problem. When a project gets popular enough, some pretty amazing matching multiples can be offered. This reinforces the incentive structure of quadratic funding as a fundamentally democratic institution. Oh, so the more that's donated, the less that's incrementally matched. So the matching is still increased, I guess. Oh, I see. If there's one person who donates, I guess. I don't know. I'm confused. Anyways, people can look into the actual math of it. But the point is, like, I could donate a small amount and it would get matched. So let's actually do the donations. View all grants. I'm gonna go shop around, see which ones I want to do. Let's do the weighted shuffle. Actually, I don't want to view all grants. I kind of want to see their... Oh yeah, match rounds. Okay. So there's the main grants, main match round, match pool. Let's look into that. I'm gonna open a tab for that. And then I also want to see diversity, equity, inclusion, because I think the Women Build Web3 thing is in there. And then crypto policy. I'm interested in it, but don't want to fund it. ETH infrastructure. Okay, let's just pick those 3 and start with those. I'm gonna close that. Okay. So, main funding, build ship, Hyperspot, ZK Ripple. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Cool. I'm just taking a look around. I don't really know most of these, which is on me, but okay. I'm just gonna go away from that because I don't really know about it. Let's find Women Build Web3. Oh, She256. Meta is awesome. I met her back at Blockchain in Berkeley, so it's cool to see She256 still around. That's crazy. Look at that. 257 donated or raised. It's going to be matched with $1,353. That's pretty cool. Women Build Web3. Boom. Oh my gosh, already 3K raised. Estimated 30K matched. That's insane. All right, let's add that to our cart. Women in Web3. Okay, there's a lot of naming. Women in blockchain, women in Web3, and women build Web3. There's a lot of naming we could probably figure out. But anyways, I believe this is the one. Yep, Cami. Okay, and then are there any over here I want to do? Ethereum staking guides. Oh, Ethers.js. I love Rick Moo, Richard. His this SDK a lot of people use, and so I think he's doing this full time. So would love to support that. And Scaffold-ETH. We built using Scaffold-ETH. So let's add that to cart. Okay, 3 is probably good for now. Let's just get it started just to see what the flow is like. So I'm gonna check out. I can't check out. Let's go back to the beginning. It's yelling at me now. Let's sign in, I guess. I'm signing in with GitHub. Okay, cool. I've already created an account, so I guess you would need to create an account if you don't have one yet. But now let's try to check out. Boom. Okay, cool. Checkout page. All right, what do we have here? We have the currency that I want to apply. So I could do ETH, I could do DAI, I could do a lot of stuff here. That's so interesting. Wow, you can donate in so many different ways. I don't have Celo. Okay, let's do DAI. I have some, or USDC. I have some USDC I can give. So yeah, why don't we do like 25. Look, that's insane. If I do $25 here, it's matched with 785 DAI, which is like 1-to-1 with dollars. So that's wild. And then I don't know why the matching is different here. Oh, it's probably because of the quadratic funding formula or something like that. Okay, well, we're not going to look too much into the math. Let's just go through the flow. So give back to the Gitcoin match pool. Contribute towards the Gitcoin match pool. Funds are used for current and future grant rounds. The selected amount will be added on top. Okay, so if I do 5%, then it adds 3.75. Sure, why not? Okay, so this is the total, 78.75 plus the matching, but that doesn't come out of my wallet. This is what comes out of my wallet. That's crazy. Okay, let's do it. Standard checkout. Please start in the pending action on your secure wallet. Okay, yeah, so that's what this has popped up. Transaction fee is only $6 right now. That's pretty good, relatively speaking. 94.5 USDC. Yeah, why not? Let's do it. Don't close this tab. Oh my gosh, wait, what, there's another one? See, okay, this is this is one of the things we need to fix in this space, is like the UI. Like, why was I approved one transaction fee already, and there's another transaction fee here. Whatever. $26. It's chill. I've spent more on NFTs. Alright, let's do it. Confirm. Don't close this tab. Okay, cool. Nice. Nice. Okay, so I think what I'll do is I'll screenshot this, that way I can show Cammy like, yeah, we did it. Let's also just do this one. And then, let's see, maximize your match. Your contributions are currently matched at 50%. Oh yeah, let's verify. Let's do that. Increase your impact up to 150%. That's crazy. All right, visit Gitcoin Passport. Oh, this seems like kind of a struggle. Let's just click through it and check it out. There's no ceramic account. Oh, I gotta create a whole account and everything. Let's see if it's easy. Sign in. Takes a long time to load. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this right now. So basically, I guess I can verify. Oh, wait, it loaded. All right, let's connect it. Sign. Okay, I can connect my GitHub too while I'm at it. Sign. All right, I guess you can connect Facebook, Google, Twitter, GitHub, BrightID, POAP. I want to say Pope actually, but I always end up saying POAP. ENS, Proof of Humanity. Okay, so what does this do for me actually? Let's go back here. I should connect my passport now. It's connected. Return to present your stamps to Gitcoin. Oh, we had a technical error while scoring. Like maybe there's like some delay because I just created my account. So let's connect my Facebook too while I'm at it. Screw it. You can clearly tell I'm not one of those people who cares a lot about keeping myself hidden, especially not on this YouTube. But anyways, verify that. Link to ENS. This ENS name associated with this address is thatguyintech.eth. Yeah, that sounds about right. Oh man, this expires in September. I should renew my ENS name. Okay, anyways, verify that. It has been verified. Boom. Okay. Let's try and refresh this. And then connect passport. It's still validating my passport. So I think I'll come back to this. Basically, it'll probably take a while, whatever it's going on here in their back end, to validate my passport. And then I guess I need to score it. And then I save it to get a multiplier. So that's kind of cool. They do want to make sure that people are real. So makes sense to me. All right, cool. Well, we did this. I wonder what their share on Twitter button does. I just funded 3 grants. Okay, that's not interesting. Let's not do that. Okay, let's X out of that. And then I guess before I go over to Twitter just to respond to Cammy and everything, let's see. My bounties, my grants, creative contributions. Let's just see it here. I should show up. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, because I was like, why do I have 4? I only remember doing Ethers and Scaffold and WBW3. But I did donate back to the pool, so I guess that's what that is. Cool. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Now let's go back here and respond to Cammy. Yeah, I'll just do at the top here. Let's see, is this the one? Yep. Wow, this matching is insane. My first time contributing to Gitcoin grants. Kinda addicting. Cool. All right, well, yeah, keep building cool stuff. Women Build Web3. That's the Gitcoin Grants. You know, play around with it, check it out. It's kind of cool to have this idea because you can really, I guess, incentivize people to kind of build new things, explore new stuff. And it was fast too. It's like, you know, of course there's the crypto transaction fees, but you know, you sign the transaction, you send it out, and then it goes, I guess, into the fund. I do wonder if Gitcoin holds on to those funds until the end of the round, and then it distributes it to the grant creator or something like that. I'm not sure, but I trust them. All right. Well, anyways, hope that was interesting. Let me know if you've heard of Gitcoin before or any of this funding. Just wanted to show the flow because I've been hearing about all this stuff, but I haven't actually like checked it out myself. So this is pretty cool. Maybe someday I'll create my own grant proposal and like start a cool project. But yeah, definitely have my hands full right now. So, okay, peace.